Hey guys, how are you today? How you guys doing? We are back with another video. As promised, I told you guys yes, we'll bring part 2 because you guys wanted a comrade to be back here. So yeah, there's Tish in the building. Yeah, thank you so much for the love for the from the previous video. Oh god, people were commenting, Tisha commenting.
So embarrassing.
No, it's not embarrassing. So yeah, as you guys know, this is a Lingala video because we did part 1 in Lingala, so it's better for us to do part 2 in Lingala again. So yeah, let's start it. Oh, you know French. Okay, na bando tanga ba comment o bino nyoso botiki po eza presque makambonga na nyala yebisa bango. Mais ko lokola e bimeli pe côté na bino donc esali pe ka bien na tanga ba comment na bino bango mo ba yo ka poso nga na lobby peut-être mais ba yo kandenge e uta e pa na bino. Okay, comment ali bosso eza na anglais mais dans son atang yanko bango ba comprendre après na lo bango bref kaka na lingala pour la meilleure compréhension na biso nyonso. Okay. Comment ça dit bosso na tanga ba ba tout po bon na éviter so ba tu pas mais na tanga ka comment. Comment ça dit bosso eza mo mlai mais na bandika place lobby ke the title of the so-called dating came of the world. The reason why it is not good to have boyfriend or girlfriend is that many fall into temptation and tempt to have intimacy before marriage. And that's bad because the Bible says in 1 Corinthians, that's what, who is your Bible? You can read what it says.
Oh,
yeah. So in brief, the person says that having a boyfriend or a girlfriend there's temptation in there, which means your level of intimacy will go into another direction. So to avoid it, we're not allowing boyfriend and girlfriend. Donc, na mukuse muto akomi ke kozana copain la copine eza mabe po eza na ba tentation donc beaucoup isama ce qui n'est pas bien selon Bible na 1 Corinthiens 6:19. Si chambolobi ni po alobi bien ke kozana boyfriend and girlfriend eza na ba tentation. Eza na ba tentation zo fondo na un verset. Eza na ba tentation. Yangwana eza raison pour laquelle vous a permis à cause na ba copain na ba copine donc bino kate en général to lo bila ba jeune nyonso eza bien te cause na copain na copine pour la tentation donc tozo boya ba tentation.
Well, it says, don't you know that your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit?
Nzoto na yo eza temple ya Molimo Santo.
Yeah. Who lives in you and who was given to you by God. You do not belong to yourselves but to God.
Ozoko appartenir na Nzambe donc nzoto na eza temple ya Molimo Santo.
I don't see where it said we can't. The temptation. Where's the temptation? What be the temptation? In that verse.
But tell us yo ke nzoto na yo eza temple donc eza temple ya Molimo Santo. Cause na boyfriend ou bien na girlfriend et comme mon na temptation o ekoko ruin ekoko baby sa nzoto na yo en tant que temple. Eza nde bongo. Yo il fallait pas préciser que non boyfriend and girlfriend ils ont la tentation. Yeah, c'est mais ils ont la relation, verset ils ont la relation. Ils ont tel ce que nous autres nous a temple.
But not every relationship has to go there. Some couples wait. How can I say that?
Ba couple belé ba zelaka.
Yeah. Just because we don't see them, we don't know.
So tina ya ki copine tina nango penesa
to know each other.
Hello ni bowling abo yeba.
Your name, combo na yo, your
yeba komba mutu faza la copine no yeba komba.
Yeah, because of
Tisha.
Comfortable.
Fo yeba combo ya mutu. Fo mutu anaza la copine be copine.
No, stress.
So the stress that do solo la, ele solo. Boba na ba camarade.
I pray so ke boye ba combo na ba
Lasa kendaka nilenda sala tanga koli biloko wana.
As ezo senga teke mutu aza la boyfriend na girlfriend.
So ko lingie then yeah.
Pona ko yeba komba mutu esenga ko linga esenga pe relation moko te.
Mama yo to sticky biloko ya combo to solo ba so ke oninga kaye. Après beaucoup me
boyfriend
copine copine.
Eza tina te. Hello to le blande ya mwana. Eza tina et puis ko yeba mto bolo ba ko yeba et ponga le bolobi ba kombwa. Après bolobi te ba kombo te. Eloko neti nini bino boluka ko yeba mutu. na kozala copain copine obul ko yeba
te boyebani na ba friend boyebani ya ba friend ko après tant bino boyebani sima bokomi ba copain na copine bona bino boyebani boyebilo ko boye so bozo trust bien après bokomi ba boyfriend girlfriend après from there bosali ba mariage ba bana biloko wana
parti wana nga na comprendre nga
kwani te
yo c'est pas na mona na importance na ngote na mona importance parce que tant boza ba camarades après ce que ezali ke boza na bosepelani oyo asepeli na oyo asepeli na oyo wana komi ko visionner ko koma ba fiancé après libala boyfriend na ki girlfriend na eza place
you know when you're engaged
ni eza sens te
being friends each other and then become boyfriend and
exactly bolami kana tongo lelo bokomi copain copine après lobi bo sali mariage te ça bongo te
ya me bokoko eza bien te tango zaka ba makaradi
boyfriend and girlfriend
to make sure you're the right one
yeba po ça sens te
eloko yubino bolinga boyeba na ki boyfriend and girlfriend na
ngana yeba mutu ngana ningi ko bala ngana ko yeba dengi ni soki ye tozaba camarade
oyeba ndeni elo ni osala po yeba
na omoni dengi baza ba buse baza bien baza
so baza ba camarade wana oyeba te
it's not it's a different when was a friend kaka man when was a kind of boyfriend and girlfriend was like a boy yeah boy closer than friend
bon c'est là laisse un exemple moko na mukuse makambu nini oyo camarade bako sala oyo boyfriend na girlfriend bako sala so bato baza ba camarade bako sala te oyo ko empêcher bango po ba yebana ni ne ko stopper bango po ba yebana tant ba camarade
bako simba bako
kaya
ngana ko simba bako na camarade ngate
o simba ya boyfriend après bisous eza mabet ba temptation moto lo bande yango
yeah but isn't this temptation people took it is between you and God nobody else no
tentation
yeah.
Tentation is between girlfriend and boyfriend so baza both
I know the thing that's making you tempted is between you and God
now you can comprendre no yo zo ngolo bate
Chana
tentation is a temptation
I know what temptation is I just don't want to say the word.
Temptation is ali between copain na copine. So boza ba copain na ba copine, boza exposé na tentation. Donc tentation cela veut dire boko kwesama, bosali makambo ya papa na mama. Et pourtant bino boza ba copain copine, boza permis o sala ba makambo wana. Yengwana, na yebiti yo lingo lobani.
Because the thing, the intimacy that they're talking about is between you and God.
Oh,
because it's not because of God, you're not allowed to do it as boyfriend and girlfriend.
Yeah, exactly.
It's between you and God. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
It's not between you and God.
It doesn't matter to anybody else.
Yeah, you don't have to tell anyone. It's your business. Just you, God, and your boyfriend.
So na comprendre bien. Bolingi bolo bakeno. Soki boyfriend na girlfriend. Ata soki ba baby si na bango makamba mariage. Eza ngo problème. Eza
mutu te fa yeba.
Tozolo be makamba muta yeba te. Tozolo po
ba nyoso ba sinaka. Everybody was sinaka. So is that just another sin?
Tozolo ba makambo ya. Tozolo ba kutoke kutu musika te. Tolobika ke Bible nde yebisi biso nzoto ezali temple. Nzoto ezali temple. So yo ngo runa ngo. Ngo runa nzoto.
Mais soki salami bongo or runa ngo eza.
Siko lokwa there is possibility. Lokwa la possibilité ezali ya ko avoid yango. Ya ko empêcher yango. Possibilité ezali ko sana boyfriend.
Mais soki bokomi ba fiancé, possibilité eza kuna pe.
Possibilité eza te.
Yes.
Possibilité ko za la maison muke.
Mais yo
parce que boyebi que bozo préparer déjà pour ça la mariage. Mais boyfriend eza musika nanu.
Oh, it could be next month.
Boyfriend ona ebiti o ya kubala o changer comme de boyfriend.
That's why bozaka ba boyfriend. You could have one boyfriend but marry.
One na ebisioni.
Yeah, it's a called.
Eza one is aba kamoko rare.
Yeah, na pe ngana cause are part of that rare.
Bon, cause waka risque te. Could take the risk take.
Mais ça ce qui est all about bongo pana boyfriend.
Could take the risk take cela veut dire au cause of boyfriend bo balente. Bo sepelite yo sepelu na yete pas sepelu na yete ekufi. Apo so boyfriend mususu.
Yeah, mais na ko sepela na boyfriend nga.
Wana ndengo so kanisa. mais kanisa na sens que siko sepeli na ite siko sande o bale kaka
non
yangona umon mais so boza bino ba camarade bozala bokenda na bino milai te so que simbi na ngote si na ngopeka na silence sil na eza teke bobima eza teke bosala soki nini eza teke bosimba na maboko soki ndenge nini eloko moko esalama na ngote omoni teke eza mie
na komona somebody there but agree with Biso. Why for agree kaka na yo?
Bon, mutu moko agree na bino yango na waluka zana kwa comment yango na tanga alobaki ke the person said mutu akomi alobi ke to be honest having a boyfriend is the only way to learn about the person.
Yes.
You're trying to get married with. Donc mutu akomi alobi ke koza na boyfriend eza moyen ya koyeba mutu ozo penser ko bala na ye na futur. Bino sko bazo kanisa pona koyeba mutu. Faut boza boyfriend na girlfriend.
Yes.
Yo yebike bako choyo sika mona sepe na réponse mutu moko reply to this person. Alobi na yo alobi you really can you really know a person? Est-ce que koki pena koyeba mutu?
No.
Ato vandi ne 10 ans, ata 20 ans, ata 50 ans, oyeba mutu.
No.
Exactly. So ko sala boyfriend na girlfriend e yango tende ezo laksa ke oyeba mutu.
But there's different levels of getting to know someone.
That's it. So
when you're friends, you're just gonna know kind of the basic stuff and a little touch of something else. When your relationship with your parents is also another relationship. They know you fully either.
Cousins, friends,
best friends,
aunties, uncles. It's like all different.
Yeah,
but also what try to explain to you that you are looking there focus akaba makarad. Mais biso tozolo bande baba karad is aka relation is aka the same nicola baba copain na yeah is aka pete faut za makasi.
Oh, donc was a boyfriend and girlfriend. But also the husband and wife still they don't know each other really well.
But that's still husband and wife.
Yeah, but that's husband and wife, yeah. But they still don't really know each other. It's not going to be okay. It's a prepared divorce.
We did
live in the same house as well.
Ezapo na web sabino ke mutema ya mutu nzambe ne mutayeba kanga.
Okay.
Yo koyeba mutu tata bo vandi na ende ata ba chebino na chambre de mutu akomi. Bo koyeba yete. Okay. For mutu eza physique te, eza inside. So ata bo vandi together for how long? Ata bo za husband, ata bo za boyfriend koyeba de mutu te.
Guy na Nicola. Tambo call me by boyfriend or by girlfriend. By boys muke like some boys. But like I'm more controlling. So it's talking guy na a friend na him. Guy na yep as like a controlling. Then I call me now boyfriend girlfriend.
No, not boyfriend, girlfriend. Husband and wife, and you found out.
I'm getting there. When I call me by girlfriend na now I find out as a controlling. Always that opportunity and guy na lo take and then I guy na ningyote. That you also about to call me by friend to jump na by marriage. Guy na call me by thinking as a controlling.
Bon, so ki esali pe ketango boza girlfriend na boyfriend, o tikali pe koyeba te kaza controlling. O bali o ko find out kaza controlling o sande
divorce. Na tiki funny.
Why na kozala na mutunde?
Azo yisanga na koza to te na foki na kawate. Na yo.
Te na lobia. O pesi exemple o pesi ça bien. Que à cause na as controlling yo yeba kite before getting married. Though, so you're trying to say is that risk ya ko get married na mutu oh yo yebite po ko ya ko discover babiloko mususu yango na website bino ke there's so many things za makambo ebele okotika la ko discover ngota taboza girlfriend na boyfriend.
Okay, so
ça ko discover ngote
c'est ça pour te choquer dans girlfriend boyfriend.
C'est ça problème parce que problème c'est là ce qu'on attend le ba problème problème ani boso ezali ke ozo ruin your body ozo bebisa nzoto na yo
mais na simbiete.
Oh, mais no. Yo lobi ke so boza boyfriend and girlfriend boza ezo permettre bino bo simbala.
Yeah, man, azo simbanga lokola tozo sala ba temptation te.
Love.
Ezaka ba mukete azo.
Lokola eza ngo mikela kete c'est mieux boza la ba camarades.
No.
Mais nazo simba na maboko.
Kasi bino boko simba la maboko te, bino boko kisi te, bino boko kende na bed te. So boza la ba camarade.
Okay, na koza na camarade na ye met to kiss to simba na maboko.
Because
No,
Auntie Marjorie, no, it doesn't make any sense.
It don't make sense makam na zolo ba.
No.
Bino moko bolobi bien. Boko sala ba boyfriend teke oyo bozo sala anything. Mais bozo try to know koyeba na each other. Bolobi bongo. Yango na lobby. Ole boza la boyfriend and girlfriend. Boza ka ba camarade.
Mais ça difficile so qui a
Exactly.
so qui a so believe one te ba boyfriend and girlfriend sala makate. Et ça difficile.
Te soka moni yango difficile c'est kaza aza mutu nzamba lingi to za na ye.
Mais one ça ba kansana ye. Ngene ngai na bro ba. Kuza na yo tape na yo zakana ba.
Te mais soki mutu ezali ke aza mutu pona fitir na yo. Makam na bino eko match.
Te saka monte. Oiza game day. Oiza game day where is that right or wrong? No.
Oh, love. Yo nangala sa experience.
Yo, man.
Mais ça quoi? Mais ça côté.
Osa mukolo.
Yeah, mais yo when was that
Kana ki mukolo nanga wale yango ndio
times have changed.
Because
the men we're going to marry, you won't know them not even one bit. The way they are, the way they function.
Et là on va changer ça tête. On a sabino nzela o ya bien.
Tant yo
Parce que na banenda yako pesa no liste ya makambo eza mabe ya kozala boyfriend and girlfriend. Ko baby sanzoto. Ozo baby sanzoto. Deuxièmement, il faut yeba ke mutu azaka na spirit na ye. Soko tango bozo zala together wana. Bible lobi bozo koma one. Soko yo komi one na Mark. Bokoma ki one. Wazaki boyfriend na yo. Esimbite. Olongwe okena John. Esimbite. Okena Apocalypse. Esimbi oko changer ba tu combien? Un peu recote sa ba spirit combien in your body.
Okay, the tea on money moko.
Ato changer 20.
Yes, for one and the
spirit might have not even entered you once.
Exactly.
Aso bo sanganite.
Yes,
that's so bo sangani. Mais est-ce que bino ne bo melango na o bino bo ba boyfriend ki girlfriend na tentation za kat.
Yo, what is it in yo ozo cancer?
Ndenge na omonela.
Tant yo zaki kokola. Ezaki différent bino
et là on va changer ça mariage c'est ça comme mariage ba principe ya mariage c'est ça quand ndeye moko
oh bota baki na Congo
et changer ni
bilo ko nde bazaki
bino na bino bota mia skin body na bino ça différent
te eza ba mutu na biso da différent ya bino
yo bino lo ni ya malonga ça mitu na
bilo ko nde yo yebite d'après yo ko comprendre
ah ça que na comprendre
te la ko kisa muyote
kwani na mkolo
yeah
kasi na kwede tsina kimukolo na
te na boyo etenga na boyo kusala ngoli kola ba africain na sango ndenge
yango zo simba te na ba ndenge na bino zo simba te
ezo simba te
yo zo mala batu bazo get married babale na tongo na poko ba divorcer ndenge na ba ndenge na bino
wana ko za boyfriend and girlfriend
yo et ko changer no côté
ko changer
non kutu na ndenge na bino batebele bazozala ba boyfriend for long time kaka tango babala ni kaka boyebu long time te
ona bayeba na kibi
wana sa bango nani yebsa ki bango
mais basala ki boyfriend na girlfriend
mais basala ki
basango bien
basala ngo bien sa ndeni
ozo loba na ozo kina
eza ka tous les jours te faut que na mbetu bolali bolam ki bokei we basala ko na ta
basala ndeni
faut solo la
boyeba how do you say chako
boyeba na boyeba na
makasi boyeba
kasi tombo solo tombo solo auto na ba questions akopeso pe ba réponse à lukuta akopeso pe ba réponse à lukuta otuni ozaka controlling alibita zaka controlling te metango bo balani bo komi ensemble ko découvrir kaza controlling
nyanga divorcer ezalaka
yango na divorcer ezalaka ba chrétien ba divorcer ate
what you mean
eza la bible
mais soki azobeta ngai divorcer te
so azobeta yo te boko sota ngo out bolobi nini
you can't vanda na mutu nde azobeta yo
te boko sona bite ko encourager beta kayo mais boko sota ngo out kasi
when is vanda na ye
what's stupidity vanda na ye
azobeta yo azopeta be bana na yo me ongo lala na mbetu moko na yo za the sense
yo lesina divorcer te
o moni siko nde yango boyeba importance yango te ya mariage yango boyeba importance nango te autant yo accepter déjà o accepter biloko nyonso wana
that's why boyfriend is important
yango na yebisi bino eza makambo susu na ki boyfriend girlfriend okoyeba ngo te okoya ko discover makamsu ti bovandi ndak moko makamsu pe ko tikala pe ko discover yango te.
I'm gonna for in a hotel for at least 2 weeks, both Vanda together.
No. Vanda 2 weeks, on s'en.
Is that l'école à temps bis to zaka together tous les jours. To za li bala ta.
OK, bon. Vous êtes famille bien, les camarades.
Yeah, mubali nanga ko zabe famille nanga.
Seigneur, qualité tisha. Qualité.
Ekotani.
OK, Vanda na boy na hôtel pour na va pocket ma du bien pour na naissance.
Pour na yeba ninga ni na so Vanda. Pour yo
Vanda na 2 weeks. Mama na ngai wana bosani girlfriend na boyfriend.
Yeah.
Bovani 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Ah, nzambe. Après.
Sokoli.
Na sokoli.
Tango après va bosser mino.
Yo soko tandinga so bosser mino, pour ba soko bosser bien. En tout cas. Ah, vous avez la conception différente. Ngai ne ba na 2 weeks après.
Après ton money thing.
So ki 2 weeks and after 4 weeks.
Yo, tika no magama. Eza ko tuna sens, c'était le magama. Des ans sens c'était.
Ya voilà, o esatang o yela ba trust. Trust your daughter.
Tika makamba pamba wana. Nzambe kutu alobi ke no, o eza ba tentation eza wana yo le magama trust ni yo.
Yeah, o trust the daughter ne ko.
Eza magama, eza ni
akusa bloka mabeta.
Bon, pas une fois que vende sika moko. Eza ko lo zuta bo.
Yo no kati yo mokonde okoyeba tenenga nini akozala ndaku until
bon kanti na 2 weeks wana nde
okay, then that's one like 4 weeks.
Ata bo vandi in 1 year.
Yeah, that kosala 1 year na hotel.
Pona ko discover?
Yeah.
Te. Yango na episo eza biloko mususu boko sala ta 50 years, 50 ans okoyeba kate.
Ai.
Oyeba te? Po muto ko bomba, komi bomba. For many years yo koyeba te. Yango na c'est possible so to continuer to la ti awa boko ndima te makamna soloba. Mais the best way ko sala ngo ezali le bosso faut tourner dans volonté ensemble. Et puis wana ti age ko comme appropriate mais in the meantime ko chaka ngo kana prière. Ko chaka kana prière mais tant the right time ko ya tant temps ko koka, il faut vraiment ko tourner volonté ensemble alakisa yo. Bossa na makambi yake photo za no boyfriend, photo yebana. Oko yebe loko moko te na boyfriend na ki girlfriend oko yeba te. Ate sans sens.
No.
Oko yeba. Oko yeba so za controlling. Yeah. Yeah. Bon pas controlling.
Everything else.
Okoyeba so tango sa boyfriend na girlfriend.
Yeah.
Oyebe lote.
Na pessoa que na ninguém ngote na ko divorce. It's simple.
Déjà bande boyfriend ko teza mabe. Ko ba se suna divorce.
Ngana so ma divorce ya bolo kama bete.
Ozo mo na mabe divorce.
And so to me it's like
ezaka le loko moko God a permit. Apesi permission ya ko divorce. Yebengo.
adultery.
Yes.
Is that cheating?
Yeah.
Yes. Kaka soko sali kindumba na mariage wana nde nzambe a permettre soki bo divorcer a part wana ta zo beta yo nene divorce za laute
Mais
God wants us to kufa in a marriage.
Meka bo lo stili ngogada ngo kufa na mariage te eza na ba way to sort ngo out ya ko bongisa ngo
Yeah,
maybe mutu wana sana problem na mutu
pani ni papa
Mental
na ya
hospital.
cheki yete.
Yo.
Aja mukelete.
te bonso yo na kimukolo
Akota maisha na mento ishi azo sala yokote.
te
Wana kuzante. Soki ayebe.
maybe asa posa help
Ngana
Porque kele help.
Ngana
Ezaka te for divorce, okay, you can help.
But it depends to what
Mm.
extent. If continuously. So kila so betangana pa ayebinda so betangana pona nini na ko vanda na ye.
Buko beta ka ndeza mabe.
First class,
Makamnio so mokilo eloko za mabeza ka ko beta.
Yes.
Ubi abino makamnio so soka salika likamnio so ya mabeza foko
So
divorce.
kya boyenga na bimba na makali nanga so kya za allowed na makali nanga te.
Wana foko divorce.
Yeah. So ka boyenga na bimba na baleki nanga na ko divorce. So ka boyenga na mona mama nanga na ko divorce. So ka ninga na kenena Congo po to yiba na ko divorce ye. Because no.
Yo ko divorce pona makamnio.
Yeah, so kya na some stay na so kya stupid.
So kesa sanste.
Yeah.
Ambo?
Yeah.
Yo na so ba pension ko bana ba camarade pona yo o dibale kufi.
Yeah, that's toxic.
Toxic na ndenge. Mo so ba
is
camarade
toxic.
ngba sa mabe.
No, because they're my friends. I know my friends. So he gets me the one to tell me my friends are toxic. Yeah. I can make my own mistakes.
Ah.
Yeah.
Mais ce qu'on est besoin ensemble, c'est besoin qu'on est dans. Tant que tu es un makam, oh you money, ya money. On a besoin que tu es makam, on a besoin.
No, then you sangai. Don't tell me not to go outside because that's rude. Yeah.
So you must make your decision.
Yeah, let me make my own mistakes. So I'm an adult.
Yeah. Hey. C'est vraiment compliqué. Ceux qui ont bon libale kofi.
Yeah.
Te. Yango na faut chamutu, faut y ba place nous chamutu. Pour mariage ce que c'est ba koti, et ça kana flesh outside thing. So ko koti for once. O ko bima susu te. According to God. Mais vous avez chrétien tout vous avez chrétien te.
The 20 our generation's version.
Ma génération vous avez chrétien te.
No, our version's generations of Christians.
Ah, il y a ba tomboki.
You know, ultimately, we're still children. We, you know,
Bana.
can't even explain it. Yeah. Like, you know, there are some Christians in my church that only turn to God at 25. No, I can't. That's why I said in English. I can't say it in Lingala. I can't.
Is that about to soon église, but come back chrétien na 25 ans.
Yeah.
That's
So
what I'm trying to say is, you asking if we're Christians, obviously we're going to say yes because you have Christian parents.
Yeah.
But we don't know ourselves. Yeah.
Alobi ezana bazolo baka baza ba chrétien pour biso ba parents toza ba chrétien. Mais en réalité, non beaucoup de pas chrétien te.
No, we just don't know.
We be penza ko za la chrétien te so que la
yeah, basically.
Mais oyamba Yesu te.
When?
Oyamba Yesu te ke batundi yo.
Oh, baptism.
Te koyamba Yesu o ante via sa rabino o bosenongo.
To yamba Yesu la.
Oh my days, this girl.
Sala wana surtout bino ko sala ko na TV ah.
We didn't do that. That was
kasi. Bo sala ngo.
No, but okay, we just said it. But we were young.
We didn't.
We actually
did because she told us to repeat after.
Kaya ngwana kasi saka mingi ka bo.
No, but that she was telling
we
us
need to find it.
We have to feel it. We can't just be talking.
God will know when we turn to Him. He knows what's going to happen in the future.
Our relationship is tight.
Yeah.
Okay. Bon, na point wana nde bolobi ke ko koma ko bozolo ba boza ba chrétien pour na boza ba chrétien pour ba parents ba na chrétien eso make sense parce que bozolo ba na minoka ba chrétien mais bozo comprendre peut-être que ça la chrétien mo ce que linko lobani on est en sens yango na faut bokendaka ba études bibliques ba bo studies faut bokendaka pena makambo ya ba jeune au place bazo toka ba makambo nzambe mingi pour bo comprendre ngo ya bo mona ke tango bo le comprendre makambo nzambe même solo tozo beta oyo ya makambo mariage bo comprendre ngo mieux.
I wouldn't even change. I don't think I'd change.
Or changer mind de belé love.
No,
I don't.
Bo changer.
I just don't understand. I find it Christ.
That's what she's saying.
Bo changer.
No. Yeah, I mean, I know what she's talking about. I can understand, but I'm not understanding.
You know, if they do morning, if they punch me at night,
so about you.
Just because I came
exactly.
home late from work.
No, Kofi, not completely. No, 20% Kofi. That's like Lovely comes to you and says to you, "But the nails are better. I pray you're gonna be. You have to stay."
No, that's not like how can
no, you are fast me mo na ko lo banete ke ba kabana.
I would be angry.
Better mo ba na wana.
En tout cas, c'est que ça va bon pour la l'autre suki awa donc classe peso so nga je ne pense pas ba temps ko ça là pour la bolo ba so party free moyen ko ça là donc to suki awa j'espère vidéo apporter quelque chose de nouveau donc to lingi bino mingi à la prochaine. Bye bye.